So here we are in the student class. I will remove this, do while loop, and I will start creating array. To create an array, first of all, I have to mention the data type, like for example, string. And then I have to use these brackets. And I have to give it a name, for example, names. Or for example, student names. Then I have to say equal new, again, string, and using these brackets I have to set the size, for example 5. Now this is how to create an array in C#. If I want to create, for example, integer array, I will say again the data type int and using these brackets and give it a name, for example students ages, for instance, and then equal a new integer of, for example, 10, whatever the size is. And now I can add items inside this array, for example student names, and of the index 0 equal to something name. And again I can say also student names of 1 equal to name, and so on. And also for the students ages I can say students ages 0 index at the 0, which is the first element, will hold the value, for example 10. Here I can't say 10. If I said here 10, this is wrong, and the compiler will say there is an error here because the student names of type string and this is integer value, so I have to assign just string name inside double quotations. And same here, if I said, for example, string, this also will give an error because this student's ages type integer and I have to just assign integer. So this is how to create an array and how to use the array. Now I will remove the array and let's go to the list. How to create a list in C# using the keyword list, then these brackets, and inside it I will set the data type, for example integer, and after that I will give it a name like, for example, ages equal, for example, a new list of integer. Just enter and these parentheses and end the line by semicolon. Then I can simply add items ages.add. I can add, for example, 1 and end the line by semicolon. And also I can add another item dot add also, for example 2, and also I can edges dot remove, for example, some item, integer item. I want to remove the first one, and that's it. This is how to create a list, and this is how to add items in the list, while the list size is dynamic and can be as much as you want, while in the array it's a fixed size.